Good morning, students. Today, let us begin a new chapter. As in the previous class, we have finished chapter 8 from Unit 3. So, today, let us start with which chapter? Our different unit, as because from Unit 2 we have done climate. The other chapters also talks about different types of climate. Unit 3, we are done with conquering distance. So, the other chapter tells us about the communication, which is also a part of transport. So, today, let us do from Unit 4, chapter 10. Alright, Unit 4, which talks about the changing world. Chapter 10, that is the world of growing knowledge. Page number 70. The world of growing knowledge. Okay, let's see what is the objective of this chapter. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to understand major scripts of the world, invention of the printing press, story of paper, the braille, special script for the blind. Alright, so basically this mainly tells us about the scripts, the paper, okay, the different types of paper, and then this how this paper was invented, especially printing press and all. So let's see, this chapter is quite interesting. We would get to know various things about writing especially. Let's start with the introduction. Man is the most advanced and evolved species on earth. He has discovered many ways and means to live a better life. His knowledge started growing very fast with each step of observation and experimentation. Underline this, knowledge started growing fast with each step of observation and experimentation. This knowledge has also given him the power to discover new things. The discovery of writing, counting numbers, and lately printing have contributed greatly to human progress. The various stages in the development of counting and communication make an interesting study. There is something for our knowledge on the right hand side. Let's see what is it, which is being titled as extra byte. The earliest form of writing was developed by the Sumerians in Mesopotamia. It was known as cuneiform. It was represented by symbols made of wedge shaped strokes. Okay, something for our knowledge. Memorize these, okay. Now let us talk about what this introduction has to offer us. The introduction portion says that man, human being, we are also one of the animals, like the other animals that we have in the environment, but we are so called social animals. We live in a society, right? And as compared to all the other animals, we, being one of the form of animals, we are the most advanced form of species as compared to all the other species that exist on earth. And the main reason is because we we learn things, we grow, we develop, we observe, we experiment things. Okay, spins one word if I frame knowledge, the knowledge of discovering new things which only we have and no other species has on this earth. Likewise, the discovery of writing, counting numbers, printing, okay, writing, counting numbers, printing, because of this what happened now, it has really helped a lot for the progress of human being. And the stages, there are various stages in the development of counting and communication, which is quite interesting. Okay, that's the reason that because of the various stages that we have. It make counting and communication very much interesting. Now let us see this. We all know how to write. You, I, we all of us, right? We have learned it in our kindergarten days, correct? When we were young, when we were in KG nursery. Yeah? So let's see this writing. From where did it? How was it? Discovered. Who was the first one, or how did it come? Let's see. What is writing? Writing is a system of communicating by means of symbols or signs. The earliest writing tried by different people were mainly in pictorial form because the art of painting came much before the art of writing. Underline that. The art of painting came much before the art of writing. Such type of writing can be seen in Egypt and Mesopotamia. In Egypt, there are ancient tombs of the kings that still contain such pictorial form of writing. All right. So basically, when we talk about writing, we know what do we do, right? Like the way I'm talking to you, I'm speaking to you. Even when you have to communicate something, you talk to me, you speak, right? To me, or to anybody. That means we're actually conversing. We're talking. Now, this when we write, that means writing is also a form of communication, conversation. Instead of saying it verbally, we are expressing that through words in the form of writing. So we use various symbols, we use various signs at times. uh, what do you call this, among your friends and all, you may use different symbols to communicate with which only you and your friend may know, the other may not know. So likewise, like the alphabet, the letters that we use, okay, the English letters that we use, or any language, Hindi, Assamese, whatever, what do we do? Those are also, if you see, it's a kind of a symbol only, different shape, structure and all. Now it is being termed as letters, but I'm talking about this early days, ancient days, when these writings and all were not there, okay. And in fact, this it is being said that writing, people also, before this writing of what do you call, the art of painting came first, much before the art of writing. In fact, earlier it was the art of painting which was used to communicate with the people, to talk with the people, to converse with the people. Today also, as the book says, that if you go to this, what do you call, Egypt, you will find there are ancient tombs of the kings where still such pictorial form of writing are, a pictorial picture. The Mesopotamians were the first to develop a proper way of writing. Underline that. The Mesopotamians were the first to develop a proper way of writing. They wrote with a sharp stylus made of reed on the smooth surface of clay tablets. Underline that as well. We nowadays we have pencil, pen, so many things. But they wrote with a sharp stylus made of reed on the smooth surface of clay tablets. They didn't have any such sort of things which we have today. So this were their, you can say, the stylus was their pen pencil, and the notebook was this, the clay tablet, the smooth surface, that was their notebook. The tablets were then baked until they became hard. Each tablet was like a page of the book. As I told you just now, that these tablets were their notebook. But how were these tablets, how were they being transformed for their users? They were baked at first until they become completely hard, and then they were used like a page of the book. In India, the oldest script was in use during the Indus Valley civilization. It was found on the seals of those days. In India, the ancient Brahmi script must have evolved from earlier forms of writing. Okay, underline that. The first sentence of this last paragraph about our country, the oldest script was in use during the Indus Valley civilization. the next sentence as well, it was found on the seals of those days. All right. So basically, it gives us, this line gives us the information about the oldest script which was found in our country, or when. Okay, that was during this Indus Valley civilization. And where it was found on the seals of those Indus Valley civilization. And also, if being asked one of the oldest script of our country, that is the ancient Brahmi script, as it is said that it must have evolved from earlier forms of writing. So see, so interesting. We only know writing in the form of this, what you call, letters, but it came later on. The first form of writing was this art of painting, or you can say pictorial form of writing, paints, images. Next we have numbers. Let's see something about numbers, how these numbers came up, where, when, the different type of numbers. We know, we know this English numbers, we know Roman numbers, right? And yes, some of your, what do you call, vernacular languages, if you have, if you are aware about it. But if you see, there is a table given in page number 71 under the topic the story of numbers. On the right hand side, 1 2 3 4 5, there are 5 different types of numbers: English, Roman, which we are very well aware of, Babylonian, Brahmi, Maya. Something different. See, Babylonian, you can learn this for your knowledge. You can communicate in this language with your friends, with your mates. Hmm? Babylonian is something in the form of ice creams, I think. I don't know whether it's ice cream or. See, it's a different shape structure. Brahmi, sort of hyphen. Maya, it starts with full stop. Something similar to that, as it's new for me. I believe it's new for you as well. The story of numbers we will begin in the next class. All right. Now you just keep up to this story of writing. So basically, we are getting, as the chapter says, the world of growing knowledge. There is so many knowledge that we are gathering from this chapter right now. Correct? Let's see in the next class. Please study well. Okay.